your shoes looks dirty?
I'm sorry because I don't have any time to clean up my shoes.
What's your name?
Honey.
Next time, I want to see your shoes clean and make sure in the next inspection, your shoes are very, very clean.
Okay.
Hey honey, what happened?
You know what? My name just got listed in SSDM record.
Why?
Because my shoes really dirty, you know?
I think I know a product that can solve your problem.
What is it?
It's called SHOELISHER.
Most people take a long time to polish and clean shoes. Current products are difficult to use, need to buy a lot of items to clean shoes. For instance, brush, wax and sponge. The polisher's ink intends to spill and stains. This product has been named as SHOELISHER, which is a combination of shoe and polisher. SHOELISHER has been inspired by the problem of few communities, especially school students and professional workers, in cleaning their shoes. SHOELISHER is invented for users to polish shoes more easily and quickly. Moreover, it will also make your shoes smell good. This product features a spray on top which allows the liquid to reach a huge surface area. On the side, there is a battery cover. In addition, it comes with a small brush to clean shoes from dust and dirt. There are also two covers to prevent the liquid from spilling as well as protect the brush. Then there is a combination of sponge and ink container. First, save more time to clean and polish shoes. Second, easy and convenient to use. Third, can make shoes look new and not get dirty quickly. Fourth, save cost because there is no need to buy many items to polish and clean shoes. Fifth, shoes smell better because they are sprayed with lemon extract. Throughout the process of developing this product, our utmost priority is creating ultimate customers' value in order to ensure it is marketable. We truly hope this product satisfies customers' needs as well as helps more users to keep their shoes clean and polished. We humbly apologize for any shortcomings and appreciate any constructive criticism to improve our product.